Now we want to put a pretty accent on this. I've cut out a little heart that I want to place on here. And I'm going to just hold it where I plan to place it, like this, and just mark a tiny mark where the envelope top overlaps and where the sides of the heart is. And then hold the heart down and open the top of the card. And I'm going to, oops, I moved it. So let me just place that again. Make sure it's in the right place. Hold it firmly so it doesn't move. And then I'm going to trace from my dot around the top of the heart, like that. Just the top of the heart. Now you want to take out your cutting surface and open the card up. And I'm going to cut with the X-Acto blade, I'm going to cut out just the top of that heart where I've marked it. And you want to press firmly to make sure it gets to the paper, and then just make sure that it has cut all the way through. If it doesn't cut all the way through, just go back and trim up where it didn't cut through. Okay, and we're almost finished. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of double stick here to hold the sides together. You can also use glue. Glue is fine. Double stick just works a little faster for demonstration purposes. And just press that down firmly. And we're going to stick our heart right there in the center. And you could put a message on your heart. And place that like that. And now when you bring the flap down, you just pull that out and it holds the envelope closed. And this will fit the quarter fold card that we made. And you just slide it in like so. And pull that out. Now you can use any sort of a decoration on the front, any kind of a simple shape. It works just as well with a star. And you can just use your imagination to make all kinds of decorative envelopes.